Understanding the phrase, put one over on, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, put one over on. This phrase might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's get started. The phrase, put one over on, is a colloquial expression in English. It means to deceive, trick, or outsmart someone. This phrase is often used in casual conversations, especially when talking about situations where someone was cleverly deceived or fooled. For example, if someone says, "I can't believe you managed to put one over on me," they mean that they were surprised or impressed that they were tricked or outsmarted. Understanding the origin of phrases can often help us remember them better. The phrase, put one over on, likely originated from the game of cricket, where putting one over can mean bowling a ball that deceives the batsman. Over time, this sporting term evolved into a metaphor for deceiving someone in a broader sense. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to see the phrase used in different contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. In a friendly prank, we really put one over on John by filling his office with balloons. 2. In a business scenario, the sales team managed to put one over on the competitors with their innovative strategy. 3. In everyday situations, I thought I was buying a genuine watch, but the seller put one over on me. It's important to note that put one over on is not meant to be taken literally. It's a figurative expression and doesn't involve physically placing something over someone. Instead, it's about the metaphorical act of tricking or outsmarting. And that's a wrap on the phrase, put one over on. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring new phrases and expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.